In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Replit, quick and easy, 2025. First, open your Replit project. From your dashboard, click into the project you want to work on so you land in the editor view. You'll see the code workspace front and center, and on the right side you'll find the File Explorer where your project files are organized. Next, click any code file in that right side file panel to open it. Pick the file that matches what you want to change. Your main file, a component, a root, or a configuration file. When it opens in the editor, you'll get syntax highlighting and line numbers so it's easy to navigate. Now click directly in the code and type the changes you need to make. Replit saves frequently, but it's still a good habit to pause and confirm your edits look clean. Keep your formatting consistent, watch for red squiggles or errors, and use the built-in search to quickly find variables or functions you need to update. If you're making a bigger change, add a short comment explaining why, so future you knows what happened. If you want help, click the Agent panel. Here you can ask questions in plain English, request code suggestions, or even have the agent propose edits. Be specific about what you're trying to accomplish. Mention the file and the goal. You can also ask it to review your code and point out potential issues. After you accept any changes, test them by running your project and checking the output or logs. If you see errors, copy them into the agent and ask for guidance on how to fix them. To think ahead about your app, click the Plan section. Use this space to ask broader questions, outline features, and sketch a sequence of tasks before you code. For example, note which pages you want, what data you'll need, and any dependencies to install. This helps you stay focused and reduces rework. Click Plan again to refine your outline as you learn more. Turn vague ideas into concrete steps, capture edge cases you discovered while testing, and update your priorities so your next coding session is crystal clear. When you're ready to share your changes, click Publish. Review what's included, make sure you're not exposing any secrets or private environment variables, and confirm that your app starts cleanly. After publishing, open the live link to verify everything looks right. If something's off, head back to the editor, adjust the code, and repeat the quick test and publish cycle. That's it. Open your project, pick a file, edit confidently, lean on the agent for help, plan your next moves, and publish when you're satisfied. You've got